Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna look at how to search for projects in Upwork. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface, and right now what we're gonna look at is to search for projects in Upwork. On the navbar, on the rightmost section, you will see a search bar right here, and right next to it, there's a drop down button just like this. Just click on it and something like this will open up. From here, you can select jobs, talent, and projects. The thing we're looking for is projects. So I'm gonna click on this button right here. Now you can search for any project of your choice. I'm simply gonna type something. Once you've typed the project you're looking for, just hit on enter. And guys, as you can see, these are the relevant search results. There's web application development using Python, Django, and everything. Well, it's up to you to choose the project of your choice. Well guys, that's it. That's how we search for projects in Upwork. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this too, remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.